you guys as per your request. So if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you might have seen me post some pictures with my new jewels lately. What do you guys think? So what you guys also noticed is that I do have stretched ears. And so I've had a couple people ask you, like, how are you wearing dangly earrings when I know you have stretched ears? So I thought I would make a video. There's more than one way to wear dangly earrings with stretched ears. So I'm going to tell you guys all the ways that I know how and give you guys a couple resources. So if you guys are interested in seeing my little how I wear dangly earrings with stretched ears tutorial, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Guys, like, these are so fashionable right now. Like, all of these like bright colored tassel-y kind of earrings are so big, and I was like, you know, like, I used to wear earrings back in the day. I'd wear like big blingy hoops and stuff like that, and I wore them differently than I do now, so I'm gonna tell you guys those different ways. But yeah, then I just kind of quit wearing them. Like, I go through spurts, I guess, but right now I'm in a I love jewelry kind of spurt stage here. So what I used to do when I would wear dangly earrings is I would make sure I have tunnels, and so the tunnels are the see-through ones, which most of you are probably aware of, and then there are plugs, which are the solid. So how I used to wear them is I would take the earring and I would stretch it, and I'm not going to do this because I don't want to actually bend these, because I'm really liking the way that I'm currently wearing them better than how I used to wear them. But I came across a really awesome video from another YouTuber, Naomi King, that I will link down in the description box below. She also posts a whole bunch of really awesome acoustic videos, like, of her singing. She's so good. Like, I just recently stumbled upon her YouTube page, so yeah, definitely go check her out. Check out this video. But she shows you how to bend this wire so that you can put it right through your tunnel and just kind of like clip it on. And so that is basically what I used to do. I used to go and bend all my wires and make them so that they would kind of lock going through like your tunnel. Right now, this is what I do, which I didn't know of before, and it just seems like, oh yeah, why wouldn't you just do that? This way you can wear earrings with tunnels or plugs, whichever you prefer. But you just take and slide the earring underneath your tunnel, so you can kind of see how it's just, if I pull, you can see how it's just right in between there. And that is currently how I like to wear them. Yeah, because I think, I don't know, I think it just looks really good. It doesn't ever fall out, or sometimes when I did it the other way, it would come unclipped and I would lose it places. And yeah, another thing you can do is, I do have second holes, but I just like very simple right now. But you could get your ear pierced a second time, or if you have second holes already, you can just take the earring and put it through your second hole. I've not worn earrings in my second holes for a long time, but basically it would sit here, and then you'd have your dangly earring, and it would just be up a little bit higher, and then that would make it really snug. And just, yeah, so that is another alternative. So there's 3 different ways to wear it. So you can wear it through, underneath, or in your second holes. Another thing you can do is that they actually make dangly earrings for people with stretched ears now, which is really cool. I will post a picture on one of these sides of what I'm talking about, so you guys can get a feel for what I mean. But basically, it is a tunnel with a little loop on the bottom that you can clip regular earrings in, or you can like fasten them in, or some, like this one, they actually come with like the earring already attached. Like the earring, the whole dangly bit and the plug and everything, or tunnel, is already one earring. The only problem with that I found is that I don't necessarily always like those earrings. Like, I want to wear these kind of earrings sometimes, and you're kind of limited if you go in that direction, but there are some really pretty options. Oh, those are my 4-5 different ways to wear dangly earrings with stretched ears. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up, and if you don't already, click the subscribe button, because then you will be notified when I upload new videos. And I upload every Monday And then I have some bonus videos that I post sometimes throughout the week as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure that you guys connect with me over on Instagram as well. I will post that down in the description box. Make sure you come over there and say hey. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.